Hi everybody, and welcome to Fab Hacks. I'm Nikki, and today I'm excited to share another video in our small space decor and organization series. In this video, we are again going to focus on dorm decor, but just like last time, although these DIYs were designed with college life in mind, these items would work wonderfully in any space. This is going to be the 5th video in our small space series. If you missed the previous ones and would like to check them out, I've included links in the description box below. First, I'll show you how I made this Pom Pom String Light picture hanger. Then, these cute pink and gray storage containers. And lastly, this personalized mirrored lanyard holder with a glass inset to use as a dry erase board. Before we begin, we would like to give a big shout out to our subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you and everyone else who has commented, liked, and shared our videos. It is very much appreciated. If you are not a subscriber and enjoy videos like these, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you join the family. With that, let's get started. To make the Pom Pom string lights, I started with this cable line and these paper clips I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as these cafe curtain hoops I got for $2.54 and these pink pom poms I got for 97 cents both from Walmart. These and all the materials used in each of these DIYs can be found in the materials list provided in the description box below. First, I took this cable line, which by the way is found in the pet section, and measured in 5 inches from the end. That is where I attached the first curtain loop. With the loop attached, I then inserted a paper clip to the clasp of the hoop, making sure the clip part of the paper clip was facing down so that I could attach my pictures later. To attach the pom-pom, I put a dab of hot glue onto the pom-pom itself and then press it firmly into the clasp of the clip. For the next hoop, I measured 6 inches from the first and again added a curtain hoop, then a paper clip, and then a pom-pom. I repeated this process again until finished, measuring 6 inches between the hoops each time. After all the hoops, clips, and pom-poms were attached, I wrapped the set of string lights that I got from Hobby Lobby for $2.40 after the 40% coupon around the cable line. Then all I had to do was attach my photos and hang. To make the little gray and pink storage containers, I used these pink bows and gray bins from the Dollar Tree. I then simply removed the backs from the bows, added a little bit of hot glue, and attached the bow to the bin. For the personalized mirrored lanyard holder, I used an 8x10 frame, 2 photo card frames, and a round mirror, all from the Dollar Tree. I then disassembled the frames and also removed the mirror from its frame. To remove the mirror, I gently pried off the back with a screwdriver. It comes apart pretty easily with a little pressure. I then gently pulled the mirror from its frame. Once disassembled, I then spray painted all of the frames with Rustoleum spray paint in the color Granite. Once the frames were dry, I reassembled all the pieces. For the mirror, I first placed the mirror itself back on its frame. Then I added some hot glue and reattached the cardboard backer, making sure to press it back under the tabs on the back of the frame. Before reassembling the larger frame, I took a piece of scrapbook paper with a marble pattern and cut it to fit the cardboard back of the frame. I then attached the cut paper to the cardboard backer with dabs of glue from a glue stick in the corners only and reassembled the frame. Before securing the frame clips, I added back the mat, foam, and sample picture on top of the cardboard backing and then secured the frame clips. To further secure the frame, I added strips of duct tape around the entire perimeter. Once finished, I attached 2 sets of Velcro command strips to the back. This will be used later to securely fasten the finished product to the wall. To attach the mirror, I applied some E6000 glue to the back of the mirror and then applied it to the top middle of the frame. To decorate the frame, I used these pink pearl stickers from the Dollar Tree and outlined both the frame and the mirror with them. To further secure the mirror, I added more E6000 on the bottom edge. To make the name tags, I printed the names from Word using Gabriola font in size 85. To make sure I placed the names properly within the small frames, I used the glass from the frame to center it and then outlined the glass with pencil. I reassembled both of the little frames, putting the glass, then the nameplate, then the backing. And with the backing, I actually had to rip off the little stand, and this is easily done just by bending it back and forth until it pops off. I then further secured the backing by lining the perimeter with invisible tape. To attach the little frames to the bigger one, I used U6000 on the entirety of the back and then flipped it around and firmly pushed in to secure it. For the lanyard hooks themselves, I used these 2 small command hooks, spray painted them the same granite gray, and then ripped off both the backing and the actual command hook putty to just leave us with a flat edge that we could use E6000 to glue to the bottom. I lined each hook up with the middle of the smaller frames and then just removed 3 of the little pearls on the bottom to give it a nice space for me to attach the hook itself. And there's our finished product. To attach the dry erase marker, I just used a little Velcro dot on the side of the frame. Well, I hope you enjoyed these dorm decor DIYs. This video is the latest in our Decor and Organization for Small Space series. I'll provide links down below to the other videos in the series if you'd like to check them out. We've also featured some of our other decor pieces from previous DIYs alongside our new ones in this video. For example, the frameless vase shown here on the top shelf is from our MAGNOLIA dupes series, and the small pink vase, rotating makeup organizer, and wall-mounted palette holder are all from previous videos, which I will link below. We will shortly be publishing more videos in our small space series, including several more on dorm decor, with our next one being a more masculine industrial themed video. If you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell to make sure you see them as soon as they're published. And remember, although these were designed with dorm life in mind, these DIYs would work wonderfully in any space. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.